Hello everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you all not just one but three interesting wrap ideas which should be very delicious, healthy and satisfying as well. These three wrap recipes are packed with protein in three different forms along with some colorful veggies that adds a crunch to the wraps that tastes too good. And friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more yummy and healthy recipes in future. And now, let's get started with the making process. So first I'm going to show how to make Piri Piri chicken wrap. For that I have taken one chicken breast cut into strips and now I will season it with some salt as per taste and some black pepper. Then goes 1/4 teaspoon of Piri Piri seasoning which you get in all grocery stores and online as well. Then goes a pinch of paprika powder. Now mix this well and we will keep this aside for 5 minutes. Next we will also need some colorful veggies like red, yellow, green bell peppers cut into long thin strips and one onion sliced in this way. Next take a non-stick pan and into it I will drizzle some olive oil, say around 1/2 teaspoon, and when the oil is hot we will add the marinated boneless chicken pieces and on medium flame we will saute them until they are well cooked and turns golden brown from both the sides. After about 2 to 3 minutes flip the chicken pieces and we'll cook them until they are done. So by now the chicken pieces are well cooked and have turned golden brown. At this stage I will add the sliced colorful veggies. Remember to add these veggies only after the chicken pieces are cooked properly, as we don't want to cook them much so that they retain their crunchiness. And now I will quickly season the veggies with 1/4 teaspoon of mixed herbs. Quickly give this a stir. So our chicken filling is ready and now we shall start assembling our chicken wrap. And here is my tortilla which I purchased online, but you can also use homemade roti as well. And now I will make a cut halfway through like this. In one portion I will add some mayonnaise along with a bit of Piri Piri sauce. Mix and spread this well. In the second portion I will add the Piri Piri chicken filling. In the third portion goes 1 to 2 lettuce and on top of it goes tomato and onion slices. Sprinkle some black pepper on top of the lettuce, tomato and onion slices for seasoning. And finally goes some shredded mozzarella and cheddar cheese. And now very gently we'll fold the tortilla in this way. And our Piri Piri chicken wrap is now ready to be grilled. Next heat a grill pan and brush few drops of oil. And when the grill pan is slightly hot, we will add the Piri Piri chicken wrap into it. After about a minute, flip the chicken wrap. And in the process, the stuffing might come out like this, which I will quickly put back into its place. And friends, our Piri Piri chicken wrap is now ready, perfectly grilled from both the sides. The next one is a grilled paneer wrap. For that I have taken here around 100 grams of paneer or cottage cheese. And I will season them with a pinch of salt as per taste and a pinch of black pepper. Next goes 1/4 teaspoon of Tandoori masala powder. You can also add Piri Piri seasoning if you want. Now mix the spices well along with the paneer cubes and we will let them rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, arrange the paneer cubes in wooden skewers like this. This is another healthy protein wrap recipe. So in one wooden skewer, I have arranged 6 paneer cubes, and in the same way I will arrange one more skewer. And our tandoori paneer cubes are now ready to be grilled. For that, heat a grill pan and drizzle few drops of vegetable oil into it. Brush the oil on all the sides of the pan. And when the pan is hot enough, we will add the paneer cubes arranged in the wooden skewers. After about a minute, flip the skewers. Keep on flipping the skewers in between until the paneer cubes are grilled properly. And by now our tandoori paneer cubes are perfectly grilled, so I will take them off. And now time to assemble the ingredients in the tortilla wrap. First, make a cut like this. This is neutral light cheesy garlic mayo, which tastes very good in any wraps and sandwiches. Apply it generously in one portion of the tortilla. Next goes the grilled paneer cubes. In the third segment, I will place 2 lettuce followed by tomato, capsicum and onion slice. Sprinkle them with a pinch of black pepper for seasoning. And finally, I will add 1 cheese slice cut into half in triangular shape. That's it. And now I'm going to fold this. And our yummy and healthy tandoori paneer wrap is now ready to be grilled. And in the same way, we'll brush few drops of oil in the grill pan and place the tandoori paneer wrap. After 1 minute, flip the wrap. And our tandoori paneer wrap is also ready. Next and the last one is an egg wrap. Cut the tortilla till the center. First, I will add some neutral light cheesy garlic mayonnaise. You can add regular mayo or any cheese spread of your choice. Then here I have 1 boiled egg, which I will first cut into half and then slice lengthwise in this way. Now add the sliced egg in the second segment of the tortilla. Don't forget to season the egg slices with a pinch of salt and black pepper. Then goes 2 lettuce, tomato, capsicum and onion slices. Sprinkle some black pepper on top of the veggies. And finally goes some shredded mozzarella and cheddar cheese. And now very gently we will fold this. And our healthy egg wrap is now ready to be grilled. So in a greased grill pan, place the egg wrap. After about a minute, flip it. And our egg wrap is now ready to be enjoyed. And friends, here are our 3 different wrap ideas packed with protein and nutrients, which are not just healthy but yummy and satisfying at the same time. So I hope you will also try them out, as these are great to enjoy at any time of the day. Also friends, do share your feedbacks in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more interesting, healthy and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.